Right, so in this video, what we're going to do is we're going to look at the polygon tool, which is right here. And in order to use the polygon tool, what I first need to do is type in the number of sides my polygon needs to have. Now, as you know, a polygon is just a word for a multi-sided shape. So you need to define the number of sides. Currently it has 5. Now you can see that if you look in the bottom right-hand corner. You can see where it says sides, the number is 5. Now what Sketchup is doing right now is it's waiting for me to give it a number. If I just click now, it's going to go on with a 5-sided shape. If I want a different number of sides, I now need to type it. So I want to get an octagon, in other words, an 8-sided shape. So I'm going to type 8. You can see now it's changed when I hit the Enter key. Now my cursor has changed into an octagon. So I then just click and drag, and I can, again, just like I did with the rectangles, I can define what they call the inscribed radius. In other words, the radius or the distance from the center of my shape to the points. Okay, so in this case it's going to be 200. Hit the Enter key, and there it is. Now, if I want to do another shape that has a different number of sides, I need to go back and click again on the tool, or I can hit the Escape key on my keyboard, which is on most keyboards the top left key. It'll have just the letters ESC on it, and if you click that, then what happens is it goes back to asking you for a number of sides, and you can see that's happened now since I just did it. Alright, so this time I want to do a triangle, and of course a triangle is a 3-sided polygon, so if I just type the number 3, hit the Enter key, watch what happens to my cursor. It's now become a triangle. I can draw my triangle, and I can define the inscribed radius, the center, the distance from the center to the points. This time it's going to be 70. Hit the Enter key, and now I have my accurately drawn shape. That, ladies and gents, is the octagon tool. Sorry, that's, ladies and gents, is the polygon tool, not the octagon tool. Okay.